Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the news about the Bifrost. Their Rainbow campaign is ended just a few hours ago. So if you are new to this channel, this is a channel I just share my personal experience. So not really the financial recommendation, but for the educational purpose and also try to make some friends here. So here the Rainbow they have the event and I got some airdrop. You can see it here. The airdrop I have got. Of course, I cannot claim that yet. I will show you how to claim later on. So yesterday I think before I fall asleep, actually I checked that there are a few hours left for the event and I'm still ranked around 90 and then like today when I wake up suddenly I was shocked I'm ranked like 140, so I cannot get this NFT whitelist. So that's whatever it is, I just missed this opportunity. I should probably like borrow some more KSM or get some more KSM in it. I just didn't I I didn't know, actually. I didn't expect it's so competitive. A few hours ago, it's yeah, I'm still okay, ranked in 90. Um, so now, this video I'm going to share what I'm going to do. What's next? And so now this event is ended. And so for the educational purpose, I will also show you if you want to withdraw your KSM, what should you do? So since it's ended, if you want to use the KSM in some other places, you can do that. There are several things you could do. So you can withdraw that. You can get it to the to other program. For example, you can go to a relay chain, stake the KSM. You can also just leave it here. The APY is not too bad now. It's still 28. But the farming it will be ended soon as well. So this is the farming you get a 6% APY for the BNC, right? So this one will be ended in 3 days. So after that the APY would be lower. So you can leave it here, or you can do that in the relay chain. I think relay chain is still around 22%. So similar to here. Or you can do some other third party like Parallel Finance. Their APY I think is actually higher because the Parallel Finance, they have the summer campaign. Like you can get some actual rewards if you stake your KSM. And they will take the snapshot randomly at the beginning of September. So I think now is the right time if you want to participate in this event. It's the right time. You should withdraw and then get it there. And so for the education purpose, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw. So first of all, go to the farm and you can manage your withdraw. So for example, you want to withdraw, let's just withdraw some of that. And so maybe let me just leave a little bit still in the Bifrost. So I will just withdraw this many, for example. I will just confirm and put your password. Okay, and so it will take a little bit time. Like you will first withdraw from the farm. Now like the farm will give you actual rewards, right? So you can first do that. After you withdraw from the farm, now you can go to the staking. So this is staking, like a vKSM staking. After you withdraw that, now you will get some vKSM, but this is still not KSM. So you have to go from here to actually redeem that into the KSM. So now there will be two different ways you can redeem. So first of all, you can redeem all of them not all of them. First of all, you can use a 19 mode. So this one you don't need to wait. If you click this one, you are going to get a NAS, right? So you are going to get a NAS. Let me just put a number. Let's choose maybe 20 of them. We will use a night mode. And so you can check the difference. Like if you don't use a night mode, you are going to wait 7 days and you will get 21.3. But if you use a night mode, you will lose zero point 0.2 KSM. But the good thing is you don't need to wait. So you should do that only when you really need them. So I'm going to just get less of them because it's going to charge me some fees and I don't really need the KSM right now. So I will maybe, let's say just okay, let's try 12 of them. Okay. So I will directly swap and just show you. So if you directly do that, now it's going to use the 19 mode, so you should get that immediately. So you should, okay, it's going to use some BNC for the fee. And so you will just do that, and you should get the KSM immediately, and you can use that. And so this is the one like you use a 19 mode and with some fees. Now I'm going to show you what happened if you don't use a 19 mode. So if you don't use a 19 mode, the unbundling period will be 0 to 7 days. And so the rest of them, I will show you, like I will just directly do that. So it will take 0 to 7 days. And then I will still sign that. And so it's the same thing now. The only difference is you will get that after several days. So it says 0 to 7. And so now now you now you already know how to withdraw that, right? So if you okay, let's see. Okay, the balance of the KSM. Okay, so that's the KSM you have, right? And you can directly use the KSM because those KSM, like the 12 of them, I use the 19 mode, so I should get them already, so I can use that directly. So redeem is already there. Okay, so you can see that here, request time, right? And it says like 7 days. So exactly like the end of August, that will be the time I will get the KSM. Okay, so next thing would show you how you can get it to the Kusama chain. So right now the amount of KSM, right? Some of them I will get that by end of this month, and some of them I should already have it. So for example, this is already there, but it's in the Bifrost parachain. It's not in the Kusama, so I cannot directly use them. I need to go to the wallet and find it here. So I do the cross out. Now put the amount and choose the Kusama. So I would just choose my Kusama address. So it's going to show you like you will spend some fees and you are going to get the KSM, so you can confirm and sign. And so now you should be able to get the KSM out to the Kusama chain. Now you can use that. So for example, if you want to use that in like if you want to try some other third party, right? You can do partner finance, or you can use that to buy NFT or something. Like for example, like this is a video I made yesterday, like this kind of NFT. So now let's try if we can get that now. So I'm going to choose any one of that, and let's test whether we can buy it now. Originally, I have no KSM, but now I get some from the Bifrost, right? And so I can buy, and if it says okay, that means like I successfully get the KSM. So you can see that, yeah. We just see if can process. So I can buy the NFT. I can do the staking. I can use that for some other program, partner finance, some other needle finance, right? All kinds of other projects, you can try. So okay, it's working. So that means I already have the KSM, so I can use that. All right, so overall, just go over some details from like how to participate the Bifrost their range of event, now to how withdraw that back to your relay chain. So I think now you already know how to do it from the beginning to the end. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next day. Bye.